feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. When I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you.
Hi everyone, I'm Moni. Welcome to a new video. In today's video, I'll show you a back and biceps workout. Yes, you heard that right. I also train upper body. First of all, I dressed in something I feel good and confident in. Sorry if I'm not as talkative as usual today. I'm not feeling too well, but I believe it won't affect the quality of the video.
Just say you want me to. Got nothing to lose. You're looking so old.
Here we are at the gym.
Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. When I look at you smile.
I wanted to tie my hair up in a ponytail, but the hair tie was too stretched out, so it didn't hold my hair at all. Ended up taking it off. Let's get into it. We're starting with pull-ups. Lately, I've gotten a bit worse at them, and honestly, I have no idea why. But hopefully, I'll get back into it. That's why I'm starting with this exercise. I want to improve at it.
Closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. When I look in your eyes, I don't know.
I did 2 sets.
It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you.
Next exercise is bent over rows. I started with a warm-up set using just the bar without any added weight. For the first working set, I added 5 kilograms on each side. For the second working set, I added 2.5 kilograms on each side. I managed quite a few reps, so next time I'll definitely increase the weight. Lately, I've noticed a lot of people not putting their plates back in the gym. I really don't like that, and I hope you're not one of those people. The second to last back exercise is lat pulldowns. I chose this grip because I started with pull-ups. I did 2 sets, and in the second one, I increased the weight.
She's a roller coaster. Oh, she's a flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her. She can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her. I fall and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again.
The last back exercise is butterfly.
She's a roller coaster. Oh, she's a flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her. She can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her. I fall and try again.
As usual, I did 2 sets.
I wanna be with you. 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 Let's go tonight. Maybe you can stay that night. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Don't let this go tonight. You go. I just wanna let you know. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you.
Now we're moving on to biceps. I started with barbell curls. First, I took 10 kilograms. Then I increased it to 15 kilograms.
I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you.
The last exercise was bicep curls on a machine. It was my first time trying this machine and it was great. If you have a similar one at your gym, I definitely recommend giving it a try.
Don't let this go too light. Don't let this go too light. Don't let this go too light.
Again, I did 2 sets.
I just wanna make you mine, 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 mine. I just wanna make you mine, 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 mine. I just wanna make you mine, 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 mine. I just wanna make you mine. I just wanna make you. I just wanna make you. I just wanna make you.
The posing room was taken this time, so unfortunately I couldn't go in. But here's at least a little something from the locker room. Even if it might seem cringe to someone, for me, it's important to record my progress. I always look back to see how I've changed. So don't be shy. Film yourself. You'll see how far you've come. Anyway, thank you so much for watching the video all the way through. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a like and leave a comment. I'll see you next time.
I just wanna make